Are you ready to remove the mystery and pressure of the car buying experience? Why does it have to be this way? Well, it doesn't. CarZing.com changes the game by putting you, the car buyer, in the driver's seat of your car buying experience. On CarZing.com, you can search cars based on things like year, make, model, and price, just like other traditional car sites. What makes CarZing special are the built-in financial tools that can allow you to pre-qualify for financing on the vehicles that interest you, all on a single screen. We use your actual credit history, but without affecting your credit score. Simply enter in some basic personal information, then easily adjust items like your down payment and loan terms to fit your specific needs and get real-time results. Easily submit offers. Or when you find the deal you want, just print a voucher that you can take right to the dealer to finalize your purchase. This is the CarZing experience. No mystery, no pressure, no hassle. CarZing. We put you in the driver's seat.